Today I'm going to be unboxing these parts from LEI Games. I got 3 new buttons for my Stacker arcade game over here. And today we're going to be installing those new buttons onto the game. It's going to be an interesting video, so let's go. Before we get started, please give this video a like and also subscribe and tell me what you think of this new type of content for the time being. Alright, here we go. Unboxing. Alright, let's see what we get in here. Let's open these flaps up here. Alright, here we go. This is very exciting. See, I do not have a tripod at all. Alright, here we go. So here is the start and stop button. As you can see, it has new LEDs on it. Very nice. Here's the continue button. Also has an LED. And finally, a select prize button. Alright guys, check this out. So we got all the buttons laid out here. Got the start and stop button, continue and select buttons. All the lights and the switches here. And also the parts that go inside of the machine to secure the buttons to the game. Alright, we are officially saying goodbye to these old circular buttons. This is the old one, and this is the new one. Alright, so I didn't really show the installation progress because it's too hard to record and it's not that interesting. But as you can see, all the new buttons are put on. Got the continue button, the start button, and the select button there. They're all wired up, as you can see in there. You can probably see the wiring there. So I'm going to turn it on, and we're going to see if this works. Alright, let's see here.
4, 3, 2, 1. Stacker.
Alright, let's see if this works. We're gonna go into test mode and see if this works. Oh, yes! Look at that, it works. Very nice, look at that. I love those. They're LED too, they're not halogens like they used to be. Alright, let's play. See if we win a prize.
Woo!
Oh, I like this. The touch of it is very nice. I have it on fast today.
It's getting
There it goes.
consolation prize.
Very nice. They light up really well.
Press the payout button to get a consolation.
Let's go ahead and get some pop rocks.
Press continue.
Uh-oh, might need to fix that. Alright, I'll fix that select button.
Woo! Oh no!
Oh, I missed it. Alright, so I think I have the polarity wrong, so I'm going to go ahead and correct that on video. Alright, I think I fixed it. Well, let's try it this time.
Woo! 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 We're heading up! Woo! 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 It's getting
There we go.
consolation prize.
There we go.
Press the start button to receive your prize.
Let's get one of these pop rocks here. I like the way it feels too. These all feel like very high quality buttons. Very nice. Alright, so that was a short little video for you guys. Very nice new buttons on my Stacker. I'm going to be doing more videos on the machine as well as every other machine in the house. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more repairs of Stacker.